In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star an email add to favorites. Starring an email in Gmail is a quick way to mark it as important so you can find it later without digging through your entire inbox. Think of it like adding something to your favorites. It doesn't move the message or change any labels. It simply highlights it so it stands out and collects in one easy place. Let's start from the inbox view. Open Gmail in your browser and let your inbox load. You'll see a small star icon next to each message, usually to the left of the sender or subject line. To mark an email as a favorite, click that star icon. When the star turns yellow, it means the email is now starred and active. That's all there is to it. If you change your mind, just click the star again to remove it. The star will return to its default, unfilled state, and the email will no longer be marked as a favorite. Now, if you've already opened an email and you're viewing it on its own page, you can star it from inside the message. With the email open, look near the subject line at the top of the message. You'll see the same star icon there. Click the star, and once again, when it turns yellow, the email is starred. Click it again to unstar if needed. The behavior is the same whether you're in the inbox or inside the message. The star is simply a toggle that turns on and off. A helpful thing to know is that all your starred messages are automatically gathered under the starred section in Gmail. This makes it easy to build your own short list of important emails without managing extra folders or labels. Starring also doesn't affect the email's read status, sender, or date. It's just a visual cue and an organizational aid. If your star doesn't immediately turn yellow, give it a second, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. You can also refresh your inbox to confirm the change. And remember, you can star any type of message, new, old, sent, or received, so it's a flexible way to keep track of what matters most. That's the complete process. Open Gmail and click the star next to a message in your inbox, or open the email and click the star near the subject line. With those quick clicks, you'll keep important messages front and center whenever you need them.